Are you looking for the best jogging stroller? I have compiled a list of top 5 jogging strollers this year. These jogging strollers are hand-picked based on the overall design, hardware, customer reviews, and expert reviews. I will show each of the jogging stroller's strengths and weaknesses. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 1. Blb Revolution Flex 3.0. The Blb Revolution Flex 3.0 is an impressive run-able choice with good maneuverability. This quality workhorse of the traditional jogging world is an excellent choice for those who love getting outside and moving with a quickness, including off the beaten path. The Revolution 3.0 comes with adjustable tracking, suspension, and handlebar, a locking swivel front wheel, and better storage than previous versions of the Revolution. The 3.0 has everything serious runners want and everything the average parent needs to get around day to day. The adjustable suspension and utilitarian feel make it ideal for gravel or off-road trails compared to some jogger styles that feel better suited for flat surfaces. This jogger may not be the best choice for parents with limited space or find lifting heavy items challenging, as it is awkward when folded. While not the largest or heaviest Blb or jogger, it is still larger than average. However, overall, we think this is an excellent choice for parents who love running or hiking off the beaten path. Number 2. Baby Trend Expedition. The Baby Trend Expedition is a viable everyday, full-size stroller for those who may jog occasionally or head off-road for fun on the hiking trail. This 3-wheeled stroller offers good maneuverability, pneumatic tires, and a lockable swivel front wheel. This Baby Trend is relatively lightweight and folds fairly compactly compared to the competition. It has a straightforward fold, which makes it a good option for those who want an everyday stroller they can take off-road. Unfortunately, this jogger isn't the best in our tests for runnability. It lacks the adjustable tracking and suspension, which many, us included, feel is non-negotiable for serious running. However, it is designed for jogging and can easily manage the occasional run, even if dedicated runners will arguably find it lacking certain features. The Expedition is an excellent budget-friendly option with the look and feel of a jogger. It includes features that make it suitable for everyday use, without costing you extra money if running isn't really your thing. Number 3. Hamax Outback 2020 with Jogger Kit. The Hamax Outback 2020 with Jogger Kit is a versatile bike trailer with a smaller than average trailer price tag. While it features a smaller price, it doesn't disappoint with features and functionality. It offers impressive runnability for such a bulky pod, and it is easy to tilt to turn despite the wider footprint. We like the back storage and passenger stow pockets that little ones can reach even when buckled, unlike all of the competition. The Outback 2020 is a lot of stroller to manage when pushing and trying to stow in your car, as it is both heavier and larger when folded than much of the competition. The Hamax is expensive compared to other joggers, even if it is less expensive than the similar Thule. So, if you don't plan to use your trailer while biking or skiing, then it may be more stroller than your family needs. However, if you enjoy a variety of outdoor activities and want to include your little one in on the fun, then the Outback 2020 is one to consider to save some money over the Thule Chariot Cross 2. Number 4. Thule Chariot Cross 2 with Jogging Kit. The Thule Chariot Cross 2 with Jog Kit is the Swiss Army knife of strollers with exceptional outdoor versatility. This trailer-style stroller earned higher scores than the option it replaced, and we love the improved features and functionality. This 2-seater bike trailer is suitable for strolling, jogging, cross-country skiing, and biking with the right accessories, sold separately. If you love the outdoors and staying active, then this is the stroller for your family. This stroller is probably not the best solution for every family. With a hefty price tag, you should be confident that outdoor adventures are in your future. It is also heavier and more substantial than a traditional jogging stroller, so you should check your car to ensure it will fit. But, if your budget allows and you love being outdoors, we think you will enjoy sharing it with your baby in this all-purpose strolling dynamo. Number 5. Blb Rambler. The Blb Rambler seems to be a pared-down version of the Blb Revolution with fewer features and an overall smaller footprint. With these changes comes a useful decrease in price, and we suspect many parents won't notice what is missing while appreciating the smaller cost. We like the giant canopy, cozy seating, and adequate storage, and we love the adjustable tracking and suspension for a running experience suitable for serious runners. Also, this stroller's smaller size makes it somewhat easier to navigate in tight spaces while running errands. This smaller jogger has a stationary handlebar, so it could hinder taller pushers when it comes to ergonomic biomechanics of running. It also lacks passenger pockets and a drink holder, which isn't a deal breaker for us, but might be if you find these features a must-have. We love the lighter weight and smaller fold of this Blb and think parents with smaller cars will appreciate it as well. We think the Rambler is an excellent solution for anyone with a smaller budget who have limited space, but still have adventures on the brain.